Hey everybody, it's Sylvia Kay, and I thought I recorded this yesterday, but apparently it's lost somehow. But anyway, I'm making malasadas, and my recipe calls for 1 package of yeast, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1/4 cup of water. And what you do is you put those 3 things together, and then let your yeast work, and then in a separate bowl, you put 6 cups of flour, and you beat up 6 eggs, and to that flour you're going to add 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of melted butter, 1 cup of evaporated milk, 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1/2 cup of sugar, and you mix those all together, and it's going to be a really sticky dough. And what I did with my dough is that I put it in the refrigerator overnight, and then this morning I brought it out to come more or less to a room temperature. So anyway, I hope somebody tries this, and so meantime I'm frying up my malasadas. Okay, it's Monday morning, and I have left my malasada dough in the refrigerator overnight, and I have taken it out and let it come to room temperature, so to speak. And so now I'm going to start scooping them out. And this dough in particular is a really sticky dough. And so what I do is I spray my ice cream scoop with ham and then release them. Like I said, there's so many different malasada recipes, but this one is the one I've always used, even though the dough is extremely sticky. Here in Hawaii, there are actually people that set up little tents along the highway here and fry these and sell them on the side of the road. So these are a much treasured commodity here in Hawaii. And they're basically pretty much a donut, but they're still different. I don't know a donut recipe that calls for 6 eggs. That's for damn sure. I'm frying these about 3 to 5 minutes on each side, and I'm going to immediately take them and put them in a bag of sugar and shake them up. And so here you have the much treasured pastry of Hawaii, homemade malasadas. So I hope somebody tries this, and I'm going to try mine right now. I've already eaten one, and I'm going to share these with my neighbors along with my chocolate turtles that I made last night. So I hope everybody's well. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.